Welcome to Mastering Stoicism for today's world. Life in our time today can feel like a relentless barrage of information and demands. Your phone buzzes with notifications from people you barely know, alerts about news you cannot influence, and reminders of tasks that multiply on their own. The world shouts for your attention, pulling you in 1,000 directions at once, leaving you stretched, frayed, and perpetually behind. This constant state of low-grade emergency hums beneath modern life, a background anxiety we mistake for normal. We are told to hustle harder, optimize every second, but the frantic pace often yields a quiet exhaustion deep in our bones. We yearn for a moment of peace, a patch of solid ground in a churning sea of obligations. We look to complex apps, expensive retreats, or radical life changes, as if tranquility was somewhere out there. But what if the answer is an ancient, battle-tested operating system for the mind, used by emperors, slaves, soldiers, and artists? This is Stoicism, not an escape from the world, but a framework for thriving within it. Simple, powerful tools to find calm, clarity, and purpose, even when the world outside is in chaos. This is not about memorizing ancient terms. It is a practical guide designed for action. It offers a path to reclaim your inner citadel, the fortress of mind no external event can breach. Life is unpredictable and often difficult. The Stoics did not pretend otherwise. They built a mental toolkit to transform obstacles into opportunities and cultivate unshakable inner peace. Over the next minutes, we will turn 3 core principles into plain, actionable steps you can use today. Stoicism is not a dusty relic. It is a living philosophy forged in real-world challenges. It began on a public porch in Athens, the Stoa Poikile, where Zeno of Citium taught. Its practical wisdom spread through the Roman world, embraced by men and women of action. Epictetus, a former slave, became a revered teacher. Seneca, statesman and advisor, wrote letters of moral clarity. Marcus Aurelius, an emperor ruling amid plague and war, wrote private meditations to steady his mind. Their writings, journals, letters, and lectures were reminders to be better, more resilient, more virtuous. At its heart lies a simple insight. The world is unpredictable. We cannot command weather, economy, other people, or the realities of sickness and death. But we have sovereign control over one thing, our own mind. We control perception, judgment, response, and choice. This is the inner citadel. Freedom is not bending the world to our will, but training the mind to accept what is and act where it matters. Stoicism is action and accountability, measured not by words, but by how you live moment to moment. It trains perception, action, and will, so you can face life with courage, wisdom, and a steady calm. A practical guide for virtue and tranquility in a messy, imperfect world. Epictetus gave Stoicism its foundation. Some things are up to us and some are not. Within our control, opinions, intentions, desires, aversions, our own doing. Outside our control, bodies, possessions, reputations, and other people. Anxiety comes from confusing these categories. Stuck in traffic, late, angry. Can you clear the cars? Change the city? No, what is up to you? Your response. Be ruthless with your most valuable resource, your attention. You cannot control your boss's mood. You can control the quality of your work. You cannot control a harsh comment. You can control whether you engage or move on. Shift from victim to director of your response. Each morning, spend 1 minute. For each worry, ask, is this within my control? If no, acknowledge and release. If yes, focus energy there. Daily sorting builds an uncluttered mind and restores peace. Master your inner kingdom, where your power truly lives. The Stoics were realists. Life is fragile. Misfortune can strike without warning. Premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils, is preparation, not pessimism. Calmly consider what might go wrong at work, in projects, in life. Imagine the projector fails. You forget a point, a hard question lands. Pack a backup. Script key phrases, draft answers. If tech fails, no problem, I have a backup. Disaster becomes a hiccup. Daily, 2 minutes on one small setback and one contingency. If Wi-Fi fails, hotspot. If no basil, use parsley. If plans cancel, pivot kindly. Our lives are events, and judgments about events. The event is neutral. Our story adds turmoil. It's not things that upset us, but our judgment about things. Pause before reacting, state the fact, then name the feeling. Create a pocket of calm between them. From that space, respond rationally. Ask, evaluate, decide. Be the operator at the controls, not a passenger on a roller coaster of emotion. In the pause lies freedom, the space to choose well. Prepared and perceptive, you become resilient, calm in the storm. Philosophy is meant to be lived, built through small, repeated actions. A mere 10 minutes thoughtfully placed begins a more tranquil mind. Before your phone, 3 gratitudes: warm bed, hot coffee, a new day. Then 3 controllable actions: 1 focused hour, a walk, listen without interrupting. Midday, 1 small thing could go wrong. Breathe, accept, move to the plan. Night, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? What duty was left undone? Learn and reset. Stoicism is not emotionlessness, it's the right relationship with emotion. Emotions are weather reports. Acknowledge the storm, don't let it steer the ship. Consult your map, values, reason, principles, and act wisely. We are connected. What is not good for the hive is not good for the bee. Tool 1, the strategic pause. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6, then choose your response. Tool 2, 1 thing at a time. For 10 minutes, do just 1 thing. Train attention. Tool 3, evening gratitude. Name 1 small specific good. Tilt perception toward the light. Pick 1 practice for 7 days. Control, premeditation, or perception. Just 1, start today. The noise won't stop, the chaos won't vanish, but you can be the calm. Begin now with your next choice. 3 pillars. Focus on what you can control, prepare for adversity, observe before reacting. These are skills built by consistent, humble practice. You don't need to change overnight, only take the first small step for 7 days. Name 1 controllable focus each morning, or rehearse 1 small setback. Notice a little more space, a little more calm, a little more control. The goal is not perfection, but progress. Stoicism is a marathon at walking pace, the accumulation of better moments and better days. You have the tools, the path is clear, the world is tough and noisy, and you do not have to be its victim. You have a power no external event can take. Choice. Master your inner world to navigate the outer with grace. Be the calm in the storm, a source of strength for yourself and others. The journey begins now. With your next choice, start today, begin this week. Discover the peace of living with purpose, courage, and a calm, clear mind. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.